Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
All in all, iOS 14 has been relatively stable and hasn't seen many bugs or performance issues during the beta period. However, if you're wanting to play it safe, it could be worth waiting a few days or up to a week or so before installing iOS 14.16 September 2020.
Let's help you make your mark.
Perhaps the most important factor in determining the length of an iOS 14 update is the iPhone's internet speed. If your internet connection is slow or intermittent, the iOS 14 software update will take longer to download. Fact: iOS 14 software update file is, in most cases, 4.79 GB large. 0.19 September 2020.
Let's help you make your mark.
As a rule of thumb, your iPhone and your main apps should still work fine, even if you don't do the update. Conversely, updating your iPhone to the latest iOS could cause your apps to stop working. If that happens, you might have to update your apps too. You'll be able to check this in Settings. 12 December 2019.
Take our lead.
Another possible reason why your iOS 14.13's update downloading process is frozen is that there is no enough space on your iPhone, iPad. The iOS 14.13's update requires at least 2 GB storage, so if you find it is taking too long to download, go to check your device storage.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.